everyone, this is Selena Krause for Trinity Stamps, and we are taking a closer look at the Ornament Trio cut and foil die set that's part of the Sparkle Season release that goes live on October 5th, 2025. So let's take a closer look. This is set of one foiling plate and 4 dies. We have one coordinating die for that entire image and 3 circle dies that fit perfectly inside the ornaments. You can use them either to create ornaments to add color with different color cardstock or to turn them into little shakers. So here I had folded the image onto A2 panel just for reference, and I have few samples where I had foiled it onto 5.5 by 8.5. First I have some teal with gold foil. In this way, here is the die cut image, fold and die cut onto white cardstock. And also you can color it in, you don't need to do it to use those circle ornaments. You can just color the ornaments using your favorite coloring medium. Here it's for reference onto a 2 size panel. The die cut here I had foiled it onto green cardstock using gold foil. Onto navy cardstock using prism and aura foil, and here are the 3 little circle die cuts that fit perfectly into the ornaments. So I die cut those from specialty cardstock, kind of looking like disco ball. So it looks great with that prism foil. Also, as I mentioned earlier, you can cut those ornaments to make them into shakers. Here's a sample from our design team where the ornaments and the entire image is colored in. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!